Business challenges and industry changes come faster all the time. Demands for more personalized products. Connected smart products. High-performing, energy-efficient products. Industry disruption is constant. To keep up, people across your business need access to information to make the best product decisions. That's why today's Teamcenter is designed to reach the broader business beyond engineering. With unmatched usability, anyone can connect to the product information needed, anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Today's Teamcenter allows you to see the big picture wherever you work in the business, in whatever job. Or you can look at only the product data you need in the right context to get your job done. Whether you design products, purchase materials, manage deadlines, or plan for manufacturing, whatever your role is in the product life cycle. But Teamcenter does more than connect people with the right product information. Teamcenter keeps everyone connected across ever-changing business processes, upstream and downstream, so you can quickly make more insightful decisions. When smart technologies drive more complex designs, when pricing pressures require more accurate estimates, when a substance in your product is no longer legal, or when you're responding to the next business challenge, whatever it may be. Your business processes need to be flexible and agile to deal with any disruption, and Teamcenter can adapt with technology that's easy to own and low cost to maintain, so IT can spend less time on maintenance and more time finding new ways to make the most of your PLM investment. Reach across functional boundaries to connect people with product information. Reach across your business processes with PLM that adapts as the business changes. And reach higher levels of IT efficiency. With Teamcenter, you can reach greater returns.